Hi guys, and in this video we will learn the basics of HTML. If you go into your Explorer or VS Code, you will see the course folder that we opened up in the last video. So you right click here, you say new file, and type in index.html. In a later video we will explain why index.html. Alright, now we just created our first HTML document. Now, what is HTML? HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. Now, HTML is the standard for creating web pages. So every website that you will see is a base structure that is made up of HTML. So what does this structure look like? But before we get into that, this is a less than sign and this is a greater than sign. Now these two signs will encapsulate your tags in HTML. This is the tag name, and then you will have a less than sign, / and then the tag name, and then a greater than sign. Now this two is an opening tag and this is a closing tag. Now information that you want to display to the browser goes between these two tags. Tag opening tag and your closing tag. Then you got self-closing tags. That goes less than sign, / and then the tag. Now we will explain this into more detail in the following episodes. But with this information, let's create our first part of our HTML document. So we have our less than, ! doc type, HTML. Now this is a declaration that you're letting the browser know that this document is going to be an HTML5 document. Doc type is the HTML5, the HTML is the HTML declaration. So in the next part we type in less than, HTML, greater than, then less than / HTML, greater than. Now you have an opening HTML tag and a closing HTML tag. Now the document isn't complete yet. We're halfway there. Now we add a heading part. So we got our head, and then we got our opening head part, and we got our closing head part. Almost there. Now we have our body, got our opening body, and we have our closing body. Now this is important. All the information here is important. But this information in the body section is the part that you will display to the browser that the user sees. Like images, links, navigation bars, paragraphs, heading. All that kind of information goes between these two tags. So with that we got our basic structure. We got our declaration, got our opening HTML tag, our closing HTML tag, we have our opening head tag and our closing head tag, opening body tag and our closing body tag. In the next video we will add some content to display to the browser so that we can see how all this come together. So thanks for watching and see you there.